Sun is shining in Windygates today. Welcome to the personal property tour for 15 Fernhill Gardens in Windygates. This is a spacious 3-bedroom detached bungalow, 2 reception rooms as well. One of the bedrooms is ensuite on a corner plot. In a cul-de-sac, effectively. Let me show you around the property and tell you all about it. I'll tell you all about where it is in proximity to the amenities as well. It is actually easy access into walking distance to the train station leading on to Edinburgh or back into Leven. So you've got that as well. But let me take you around the property now. So here we are right here. You can see to the front there. Now, you come in from the top of there off the main road, you come all the way down here. You're only going to come down here if you're visiting someone or if you stay here. There's the path, actually. You can just nip down there to the Windygates traffic lights and you're easy access into the Common Bridge train station. The great thing about you've got off-street parking for several cars here. You can see all that there. And then you've got your, basically your garage and potentially a workshop as well. You can see the depth of the property if you go around there. See that depth there? So it tells you it's pretty spacious inside. What I love about it, it's got a nice front garden, pleasant outlook as well. And as we come into the veranda area, which is effectively covered, so when you come in, you can get your pets, and after being for a walk or anything like that, you can wipe them all down, or you can go to the laundry area at the back and do that as well, and into the front door. One thing this place has got, it's got plenty of storage. I can guarantee you that. Because the first thing you do is you see this reception hall as you walk in, and you've got a big storage cupboard in there. We'll talk about it, the other ones up to further up this hallway, but off to my left hand side here, first of all, is this big spacious living room overlooking the front garden. As you'll see, sure you agree, a lot of space there. And then on to my right hand side here, this is the first bedroom, basically the master bedroom with an ensuite shower room. So a good sized double bedroom in here, integrated mirror wardrobe, as you'll see, overlooks to the side of the property. And then you've got your ensuite shower room in here, electric shower, sliding doors, WC, plenty of activity space there, no getting squeezed in when you're getting washed and changed. And then we'll just have a wee last sweep about on this room before we go out to look at the other bedrooms. We'll come to the dining kitchen in a minute. We'll do that after we've done the bedrooms and the bathroom. Again, as I said, storage cupboard here, and then you've got a storage cupboard here, and then you've got that one down the front there, so plenty of storage overall. Next double bedroom, bedroom number 2. Good sized double bedroom overlooking the rear garden. You can see the sun coming in. The great thing about the rear garden, mainly south facing, so it sits in the sun. Perfect. Third double bedroom. Again, a good sized double bedroom. Great thing about built-in wardrobes in here. And then your bathroom, spacious bathroom. Nice and neutral. Corner bath there. And let me take you into this area now. Now, what I love about this is look at the depth of this dining kitchen. It's massive. Literally, it's like another reception room, I suppose. Over there, you probably could have that if you don't want it to have a dining area. But you have the garden room off there and you have the utility room there, and we'll see these in a minute. So you can see you've got your space for your dishwasher, you've got your oven hob extractor, your fridge freezer is just there in your utility room. And then it leads off, so plenty of preparation area, ergonomically laid out, and you've got your dining area to the rear. So for entertaining friends, family, when that time comes, overlooking into the garden room. So utility room off to the side. See the sink, and you've got your space for your washing machine and fridge freezer, access to the roof space there. You need to get in, and then into your garden room. This is a really good sized garden room. See the sun coming in, and that's looking over to the rear garden. So really good size in here. We just patio doors going out to the rear. We'll go there in a minute. Then off into the rear garden. So what I like about the rear garden, well, you've got access on both sides. You've got a gateway coming in here. You can see the space in there as well. I'd be tempted to actually put maybe a shed or something in there actually, because you're coming in that way anyway from the driveway. I'd be tempted to cut that back a wee bit as well, give you a bit more space in here, but there is a lot of space anyway. This is a really good sized corner plot that this is sitting on. And then you've got that deck into the rear there, which would be ideal. But you're seeing we're sitting at what, 11:30 now. There's the south about here, so sun's going to come up here, it's going to come all the way around here and go down over here somewhere. That is probably the ideal spot, hence the reason that that's raised, because towards the afternoon, evening, it'll be the sun will be teeming in there. And then your access out into the side, your garage and your workshop area is obviously to the rear there. As you'll see, there's a bit of space around the back to store items. But overall, a really good size, eh? To the rear here. Okay, for anybody who doesn't know this area, oh, the sun just came out just in time. Thank you. Just when I expected it. I did order it in advance. A dose of sunshine for my pre-portal, my personal property tour. Anyway, let's talk about the area. Okay, so further up into the Kenaway area, there is shopping facilities up there, bus stations up there as well, but you've got bus stops all the way down here. You can go further back in, just at the traffic lights there, as I said, it goes over to the Cameron Bridge railway station, which could lead you back into Leiden or further on to Edinburgh, Waverly. Direct connection, Edinburgh, Waverly, just over an hour. So if you're coming from Edinburgh, if you're going to Edinburgh, you could be here within just over an hour. I use it all the time actually. Okay, and further back in, main shopping facilities are in Leven. You've got golf courses there. You've also got the Fife Coastal Path. You've got Sainsbury's, you've got B&Q, you've got Home Bargains, you've got the retail park, you've got Aldi's, you've got Lidl's, you've got everything you ever want. Main primary schools as well. Really good primary school here as well. You've got a local high school over in Buckhaven and Leadenmouth Academy. So everything you could ask for in an area, and easy access into Edinburgh as well. Could be the perfect place for somebody that wants to maybe relocate, do a bit of home working, but has to travel back into work every now and again, just to make sure and touch base, because you've got a direct connection into Edinburgh. Okay, there's further details in this post. If you want to know more information, above or below you can click on the link, or you can message us direct on this post, or you can call us on 01333 421 774. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.